one issue that you point out is to put like technical talent at like the core of the founding team.
Yeah.
And I would love to understand better why that is the case. Why is that important? And also, if I'm not a technical founder, how do I get there? How do I do that?
Companies that are built around technology, where there's not a tech founder, have, I think, a harder time choosing the right direction and the right strategy. You need a voice at the table for the core of the business. And if you don't, then, well, who's making those decisions, and on what basis, on what criteria, and what understanding of the technology and the direction of the technology, and where that technology is going to create capabilities and add value to customers. You are just better positioned if you have a person who really gets that deeply at the core, in the core suite of people who are making that decision. Now, if you're not a technical founder, I'm not sure necessarily what the direction of your question is, but if it means, how do you get a tech co-founder?
Yeah, in that way, yeah.
Well, the best way to get a tech co-founder is to find someone in your network that you know. Failing that, find someone in your network who knows someone and get together with them and see if you're compatible. The best way to do that is to build something together, work together for a while, see how it goes, see what happens when it gets hard. And once you're satisfied that you have, a common view of the world, common enough view of the world, that you are complementary to each other, then maybe you found your co-founder.